Hey Legacy Gang, we are on our way to a Walmart trip and I'm gonna show you what I pick up.
Oh no, I got you. So guys, if you are looking for something for your toddler that has a runny nose like mine, find you this Highlands Natural Kick Cold and Cough combo. Yes, the price is a little expensive, but it definitely works. Trust me, it definitely works. What's up, Legacy Gang? I'm coming through with the Highland Natural Kick Cough and Mucus. I wanted to talk about some fun facts. We got less than 0.1% alcohol, sugar free, 100% natural, and it's from ages 2 to 12. Go get you some, ladies.